Hi guys, this is Team Full on Tube, and today we are back with another amazing video for you guys. What this video of today is about, that as we all know that the currency of India has literally changed exactly, that we know the denomination notes of 500, like this is the 500 rupee note that it used to be earlier. So this note has been discontinued, and this is the same for this 1000 rupee note. Even this has been discontinued by our honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. And so another new currency note has been introduced in India, and I have it right here for you guys. So this is the new currency note that we have in India. So if you compare it with the earlier one, like this is the 1000 rupee note and this is 2000 rupee denomination note. So if we compare it, like for example, see, this is a little bit smaller than the earlier currency note, and if we even compare it with the 500 rupee note, we can see that even this note is a little bit bigger than that. So this new currency denomination note that has been introduced, it's a little bit smaller than the earlier one. And let us put aside these notes and just see how to identify this note. What are the different things, what are the different methods by which you can identify that this is a genuine note? What are the different, for example, this note we can see Gandhiji here, and there's 500 written over here, and there is 500 written. So similarly, there are various hidden secrets, we can say, by which we can identify that this note is real and it's original. So let us start. So the first thing that this currency note, this denomination note has, is this thing. If you see it right here, there are some strips, these strips, and when you will move your hand over this, you'll feel these strips. These are basically embedded over it, a little bit raised thing, just like the braille lip that we have, and these can be felt by your bare hands. Similarly, earlier we used to have Gandhiji over here in this 1000 rupee note. We used to have Gandhiji over this part. But in the new currency note, we have Gandhiji over here. So if we see it in front of a light thing, for example, if there's a light source below, you can see that there's Gandhiji's picture over here. There's Gandhiji picture over here. See, if you can see that. So, and apart from this, there are many other things that we can, we can imagine. For example, just invert this. There's this uh, photo of Mangalyaan, the one achievement of our country, and in this particular side, there's another thing that we can see, that at the part where there's Mahatma Gandhi, there's 2000 written over this part. 2000. Similarly, likewise we had in the earlier currency note, even here it is written. Then again, if we move to this part, like if you can see that there's something written over here. So in this part there is 2000 written. If we invert this, see, here there is 2000 written, and by which we can identify that this is an original note. Now, moving on, we have the signature of our governor, Urjit R. Patel, over here,
Urjit
and
Patel.
Urjit R. Patel, the name of the honorable governor who has signed this particular note. And unlike the earlier notes where Gandhiji used to be at the side part, instead here it is in the middle part. And earlier, there are several other things. If we see this note through this side, so this place here, there's written SK. This as SK, it can only be seen when there's a light source in the opposite direction. For example, if I'm seeing it from here, there should be a light source at this particular side. So at this portion, you'll be seeing SK in a circle imprinted. That is another identification method of the new currency notes. If you, I hope that you can see it, there's SK written over here. Just like there's Gandhiji here, there's Gandhiji over this side, and similarly, there's SK written over here. This is very lightly written, so that is why it is not that easy to identify. Another identification method is that right here where Gandhiji is, there's RBI imprinted. This RBI can only be seen in the light source. And let me tell you, there are, if we see it in a very different way, like this, where there's a light source, you'll be able to see that here RBI is written. RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India, of course. And similarly, there's another thing, that this strip that we used to have here, and this strip that we used to have here, now the color is little bit different along with the width of the strip. Earlier we used to have a little wide strip, and here it is a little thin as compared to this thing. Then, if we see the strip very really closely, on the back we can see these it is written in small letters which says RBI 2000 and Bharat. And if we again see it in the light source, we'll be able to completely read this. And another thing that makes this note individual is its different color. We never used to have pink color for any kind of currency notes earlier, but this time there is. It is a huge step taken by our Honorable Modi ji, and I hope that it has amazing results for the future of our country, our nation, and I hope that all the illegal money that we have will be evicted away, will be caught, and despite all the measures, I hope that nothing bad goes and everything goes according to the plan of our Honorable Modi ji, and soon I'll be back with another amazing video with 500 note most probably. Well, it will have a similar identification marks. I hope so, because I haven't currently seen that note. I'll be having it within a few hours, so just stay tuned and wait for another amazing video for you guys. Subscribe to us, and I hope you like the video. Thank you.